because LaSalle snatches, set number 3 in dominating fashion to Doc.
All right, after losing the first 2 sets, De La Salle, knowing that it was a must-win set for them, their backs against the wall, they got to play their usual game, take command of the pace and dictate the tempo. That's exactly what they did. They relied on their strengths, their blocking. Obviously, USC not getting enough offense going, but De La Salle, after correcting their reception, everything just fell into place. Dumating yung atake, dumating yung combination, and the energy, together with all those that I mentioned, gave them that win in the third. You see Abigail Marano being her old usual self, fist pumping, getting everyone hyped up and all that. She did that for De La Salle in the third. Now is the most important set of this match. The fourth set, like what we said, it doesn't follow any script, but if you're gonna look at the previous matches, lahat yan ganito nangyari.
Correct.
Umabot ng fifth set. Let's see if the USC Lady Tigers can get this in 4, but De La Salle taking charge of the attacks, 11-6. Even the blocking department, almost every department, of course, errors, we've got 9 for UST. It was their turn actually to get those reception errors.
Law of averages also.
Yeah.
Diba? Sabi nga nila. There's another thing. For 2 sets, we've been talking about and hearing how LaSalle was not able to dictate, the pace of the match. Third set is a picture of how they can dictate and how they can make
dominate after.
and how they can make good teams look so when they want to, when they really want to.
And you know what? After that third set win, kumbaga sa nakaamoy na naman ng ng smell blood already, and ito na naman, this is the usual form that they're used to. It just probably took them two sets to realize that yung sinasabi ni Coach Ramil na hindi ganito yung laro natin.
Tama. At ito now the ball is in the court of UST to make the adjustment.
Ayan na. That's what I was talking about.
UST still playing because they thought Dosal got it, but the referee said no, touch the floor already. That was Aragala. That's probably the first real nice kill for Aragala today.
Combination play. Of course, Reyes picked up a blocker right there, so that left Galang a huge opening for that outside attack. Oh, nice drop.
Oh, nabalik ng bola. Great dig. One-handed dig at that by Marano. Regalo.
Reyes. It's a free ball. The De La Salle fans coming to life right now.
This girl has really been the one, at least points-wise, Mika Reyes in that third set. And now, Galang and Reyes again to start off the fourth. Panatikla sent back by the sophomores.
Hot start.
Let's go to Apple David now.
Coach Oz, you notice the lack of energy of the Tiger set in the third set. Sabi pa niya, huwag kayong mag-relax. The more na nagre-relax kayo, lalo kayong nagiging stiff. Another point that he made is that UST cannot just settle for soft touches. Walang punto sa pagpe-play safe. He wants the Tigers just to be more aggressive at atakihin nyo yung blockers nyo. Lastly, Coach Oji told his players sa volleyball, kailangan manalo ng 3 sets. Hindi sapat na 2 magandang sets lang ang lalaruin natin. Hindi pagkat kumpiyansa lang, kunin natin to. Bumenian.
Oh, they say in basketball, 4 quarters, 40 minutes. Same in volleyball. And especially when you talk about defending champions. You can't just roll over and think that they're not going to come back. You have to expect that they've got enough experience and character to come back. And right now, they are in the lead by 4.
In this very crucial fourth set.
Lantin, Tunay has had a great game so far. Back set. Ganda ng mga set ni Lantin, ano?
Exacto.
I think the word that comes to mind is it's textbook. It's nothing flashy. It's just right there.
Kaya if you're an attacker, alam mo naman each and every set kung saan pupunta. And that's a big plus for any attacker.
Butas. Galang nabuhay din dito sa Lasal.
And really, there's a big a gap in the defense of UST. I'm talking about the floor defense over at the front row. And yun ang pwedeng kuntirahin itong De La Salle attack. That's what they're doing right now. Ooh, service error. They didn't need that right there.
Serving 5. Jesse De Leon on deck for last year's third placers, UST Tigresses. Underhand set, which is tougher to control. Vallejo again. And again, it is the blocking of La Salle.
Yes. Once they have control of the block, it's so hard to get it past that. Bumabaw right there with Abby Maraño. Wow. Tough block to challenge.
6 serving 2. Great serve. Esperanza was there. Miscommunication. Lantin. Ortiz. Galang saves it. Q sends it back. Easy ball for UST. They go to Tunay. Cross court. Regalo. Delayed by La Salle. Q this time. Long rally again. Caballejo again sent back. Tunay again.
Wow.
Esperanza with the dig. Caballejo up. Pusaran was there for coverage. Carmela sends it back. Puts it away.
Wow, what a rally.
Longest rally of the match, no doubt.
I'll give credit to these teams right now. Keeping that ball in play.
Corner.
Laki ng butas. They've been going cross court, back and forth, until that last down the line hit.
And she will serve. 3. Serving 6 as we check in with Judy Sang.
Mukhang nakakuha na ng Lady Spikers ang laro nila pero ayaw ni coach na magpakakampante sila. He reminded them to plan ahead to execute well. Instead, sabi ni coach, mas unahin dapat ng Lady Spikers ang dumupensa at ihuli na lang ang pag-atake. Coach Ramil emphasized the need to win this game. He only wants to start this season on a winning note. Boom!
And really, it's that reception. Yung depensa rin na sinasabi niya, yung reception. Tanggap ng bola. As they say in volleyball, it all starts with the first ball. That's the first. Maraño. Busaran saves it. Free ball. Easy over. Esperanza. A lot of options.
Single hand, huh?
Lantin goes to Tunay at the back. Gohing was there. Esperanza opens up to 2 and she puts it away.
Wow, approaching, getting that attack in. Yun ang pasok sa atake with that kind of approach. Had all of her weight, all of her upper body strength on that hit. Perfectly done.
Saka si Esperanza steady medyo nag-steady rin, ano?
Nice floater.
Chu has 12 points here in this match. Maraño. Busaran was there, but could not handle the ball. La Salle again enters the first technical timeout of set number 4 with the lead. KitKat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a KitKat.